Most people reach the age of 30 without learning the skills that truly change their lives. School teaches many things, but it rarely teaches the skills that lead to success, financial freedom, and personal growth. In this video, we will explore 7 powerful skills you must learn before the age of 30 if you want to build a better future. 1 is communication skill. One of the most powerful skills you must learn before 30 is communication. Communication is not just talking. It is the ability to express your ideas clearly and confidently. People with strong communication skills often get better jobs, more leadership opportunities, stronger relationships. Learning how to speak clearly, listen carefully, and explain ideas effectively can change your entire life. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs say communication is the skill that helped them succeed the most. 2 is financial management. Another essential skill is financial management. Many people earn money but still struggle financially because they don't know how to manage it. Before you turn 30, you should learn how to budget, how to save money, how to invest. Understanding money early can protect you from debt and help you build wealth over time. Remember, it's not how much you earn that matters most, but how well you manage it. 3 is critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information and make smart decisions. In today's world, we are surrounded by information from the internet, social media, and news. Without critical thinking, it becomes easy to believe misinformation. People who think critically solve problems faster, make better decisions, avoid manipulation. Developing this skill helps you understand situations deeply before reacting. 4 is time management. Time is the most valuable resource in life. Once time is gone, you can never get it back. Learning time management before 30 can make a huge difference in your success. Successful people know how to prioritize tasks, avoid distractions, focus on important goals. When you control your time, you start controlling your life. 5 is digital skills. In the modern world, digital skills are extremely important. Technology is changing how we work, communicate, and learn. Before the age of 30, it is important to understand computers, online tools, digital communication. People with strong digital skills often find more opportunities in the job market. 6 is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means understanding your emotions and the emotions of others. People with strong emotional intelligence can manage stress, build strong relationships, resolve conflicts peacefully. In many workplaces, emotional intelligence is considered more important than technical skills. 7 is self-discipline. The final and perhaps most important skill is self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to stay focused and continue working even when things become difficult. It helps you build good habits, avoid distractions, achieve long-term goals. Without discipline, even the most talented people struggle to succeed. So those are the 7 skills you must learn before the age of 30 if you want to build a successful future. Which of these skills do you think is the most important? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to discover more hidden skills that can change your life.